In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to make a working clock in Microsoft PowerPoint. So if you want to be an expert, watch the video till the end. So let's begin the topic. This is a new Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Let me go to new slide, insert a blank slide. Let me go to design, go to format background, click on gradient fill, and here just change the color. Now let me go to insert, go to shape, pick a oval shape. By holding the shift key, drag it over here like this and place it like this. Now click on the shape, go to shape outline, go to white, make it 6 point, go to shape outline, click on white outline. Now click on this shape, go to shape fill, make it this fill color. Go to shape fill, go to gradient fill, select this gradient color. Now go to insert, go to shape, pick a line shape and drag it like this. Now press Ctrl D to make it duplicate and place it like this. Now click on this shape, go to shape outline, make it white outline. Click on this shape, go to shape outline, make it white outline. White, change it to 2 points. Select this one, change it to 2 points. Press Ctrl D to make it duplicate. Again press Ctrl D to make it duplicate. Select this one, go to rotate, go to more rotation option. Here change 30 degree and select this one, go to more rotation option, select 60 degree. Now place it like this. Click on this shape, press Ctrl D to make it duplicate. Again press Ctrl D to make it duplicate. Select this one, go to rotate, more rotation option, 30 degree. Select this one, rotate, more rotation option, 60 degree. Now place it like this. Now let me select this shape, go to shape outline, change this color. Now it is looking good. Now go to insert, go to shapes, pick a text box and drag it like this. Here write 12, change the font color and make it bold and change the font to Agency FB. Change the font size, place it like this. Now press Ctrl D to make it duplicate. Now place it here and edit it. Now select this one, press delete button, select this one, press delete button, select this one and this one. Now select this one and press Ctrl D to make it duplicate and again press Ctrl D to make it duplicate and place it exactly like this. Now place it here, this one and this one. Now go to insert, go to shape, select the arrow down shape and draw it like this. Rotate it, go to shape outline, make it no outline, go to shape fill, make it this fill color and resize it and place it like this. Again press Ctrl D to make it duplicate and place it like this. Make it more bigger and place it like this. Now select this shape, go to shape format, go to shape style, change the transparency to 100%. This one, change the transparency to 100%. Now select this one and press Ctrl G to group them together. Select the background one and this one and press Ctrl G to group them together. Now select this shape, go to animation, go to add animation, click on spin animation and select this one, go to add animation, click on spin animation. Now let me select this one and place it here and go to timing, go to on click, go to bis seconds, extremely slow, repeat until end of the slide. Let me click on OK. Now again select this one, go to timing, go to with previous, duration 4 seconds until end of the slide. Let me click on OK. Now I have to place this one like this and this one like this. Now let me go to insert, go to shapes, pick a oval shape and by holding the shift key drag it like this. Go to shape fill, make it this fill color, go to shape outline, make it no outline. Let me change the shape fill, select this color. If I want to watch the slideshow, let me click on a space button. Here my timing clock is totally ready. Now I have to select this shape, press delete button to delete And let me go to home, go to select, go to selection pane. Here this one, let me click on unshow. Now I have to watch the slideshow. Here you will see my working clock is totally ready. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.